I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to update your Dodge Charger Uconnect system. First, you need to prepare for the update. Find your vehicle's unique 17-digit VIN, typically located on the driver's side dashboard or door jamb. Next, grab an empty USB drive, at least 4 GB in size, and format it to FAT32. Make sure your charger is parked safely and will stay running throughout the entire update process. Also, remove any other USB or SD card devices from your car's media hub to prevent conflicts. Now, let's get the software. Head to the official Uconnect software update website on your computer. You'll need to enter your vehicle's 17-digit VIN to see if any updates are available for your specific system. If an update is found, download the file to your computer. It will usually be a compressed zip file. Once downloaded, extract all the contents of this zip file directly to the root directory of your prepared USB drive. Do not place it in any subfolders. With your USB drive ready, take it to your Dodge Charger. Insert the drive into the main USB port, usually found in the center console. Next, turn your ignition to the run position but do not start the engine. Your Uconnect screen should prompt you, displaying both your current and the new software versions. Confirm that the new version number is higher, then proceed. The installation can take up to 30 minutes. It's crucial not to turn off the vehicle or remove the USB during this time. Once the update is complete, your Uconnect system will restart. After it powers back on, wait about 60 to 90 seconds for a confirmation window to appear. Verify that the software version numbers on the screen now match the updated version. When prompted to reinstall, select No, then safely remove the USB drive. If you encounter any issues, try a soft reset by holding down the volume and tuner knobs simultaneously. For persistent problems, contact a certified dealership for professional assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.